Sure.
Okay, I need to think of it.
There you go. Where is that?
Yeah.
There. Here? Right here. Oh, okay, cool.
You see, that's why I don't feel when you...
Yeah, because I didn't know what's ahead. If I have no parking, the circle around, that's another long time. Yeah, come on in. The traffic is crazy, eh?
I know. You know what you can do? You just turn right here.
Turn right? Yeah.
Yeah, go to maybe Dundas.
Sure.
We'll see.
Sure.
If the front,
Sounds
Dundas,
good. We do our best.
if the front is okay,
Jammed, yeah,
you
yeah.
can use the front.
Yeah, okay, front street, yeah?
Yeah.
Gardenia, is that a Gardena? Gardena,
Yeah.
Gardena.
Take your time.
How are you?
Oh, hi, good. How are you?
Good.
Come hop in.
Good.
Oops, don't hit your head.
I know.
Okay.
Thank you.
You need a seatbelt?
Yes, I will do that.
Head north on Market Street toward Wilton Street, then turn right onto Wilton Street.
Is it one way or two way?
You can go. No, you can go, yeah. But in this video, but you have to turn Mazo on the bus. Okay, do Bazauta? Okay, you can go straight.
Yeah, I know.
Go this way, yeah. Oh, he's
Blocking. Whoa!
Jesus. Oh. What happened to him? He didn't see you. Oh.
Hey, you hit me. Oh my
I know
goodness.
he did, yeah. But how he's gonna go there?
Go because I called the police already. You can go. You just go.
Why are you calling the police?
No, because I can go anyway.
It's a rush hour and
Yeah, no, because as
I have the video.
my car is here.
I have the
I'm
video.
on the line.
No.
You can, no, because I can let you out. I can let you out for that guy. I have to call the police already.
Yeah, but you're the one he does. The guy, why he doesn't trust?
My video.
No, but the guy, he's the one he hit you.
Yeah. No, he moved forward. Ma'am, it's okay. Come on in. We'll continue. It's okay. We'll go on. I got in my video here. I got my video.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Yeah. Yeah, I did. I think.
No, the guy, he has a video.
Yeah, I have video here.
It's his fault.
It is definitely.
And then he doesn't even believe.
Yeah.
He say like,
It's arguing.
I'm calling police. Tell police what?
Did you take his plate
Yeah.